Check out our newest e-commerce update. We now have weight-based shipping and delivery rates. This feature is going to allow you to set different shipping charges based on product weights, enhancing shipping cost and accuracy. Let's talk about those benefits. First, this is going to allow for accurate shipping costs. Now, your business can ensure precise shipping charges based on the product weights, not just a single product weight, but that combined weight. It's also going to allow you to customize shipping zones. Now, you can actually manage different shipping zones that are going to have different shipping rates so that it is specific for the weight of the package that is being sent out. This is going to really improve customer satisfaction. It's going to feel so much more personal and customized based on what they order. As far as practical use goes, now with the new weight-based shipping feature, you're going to be able to set different shipping charges for your e-commerce store based on the total product weight, enhancing shipping cost accuracy and efficiency. First, we need to add a new zone. So to do that, because this is a payments related feature, it's going to be in the left-hand navigation under payments. Now, when you go into payments, you're going to want to make sure you stay under the payments tab in the upper navigation. And then within those settings, you're going to go to shipping and delivery. Now I'm going to have you click on plus add zone. Now we're going to go ahead and name that zone and select the countries that that zone is related to. Now we're going to configure the rate details. You're going to name the rate and you're going to give the delivery description and you're going to set the weight amount. Now you can view the added weight condition after you've already saved. This feature enhances the CRM by enabling precise and customizable e-commerce shipping rates right within the system. This is going to improve operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.